In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your LinkedIn connections from your employer. If you value your privacy and want to keep your professional network confidential, this quick tutorial is definitely for you. Let's jump right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your usual credentials. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Take a moment to get oriented because from here, we're going to start making our way toward enhancing your privacy. If you look to the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile picture nestled there. Give it a click and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option that says Settings and Privacy. Consider this your account's command center, the place where you can manage who gets to see your information and activities, ensuring your network remains as private as you want it to be. Once you're inside the Settings and Privacy section, direct your attention to the tab that's labeled Visibility. Clicking on this tab is crucial because it gives you the keys to manage what aspects of your profile and your network are visible to others. This is where you can tailor your privacy experience on LinkedIn to suit your personal comfort level. Now, as you scroll down through the various visibility options, keep an eye out for a particular setting titled Who Can See Your Connections. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. You'll then be presented with an on and off button. Our goal here is to make your connection list completely private, so go ahead and turn off the connection visibility. By doing this, you're ensuring that your list of connections is only visible to you. This means that not even your employer will be able to view who you're connected to. And just like that, you're done. With this small adjustment, your connection list is now viewable solely by you, allowing you to enjoy peace of mind and have complete control over the confidentiality of your professional network. Congratulations, you've successfully hidden your LinkedIn connections. This adjustment ensures that you can navigate the professional world with privacy and confidence, a nice blend of professionalism and personal control over your information online. It's a good habit to keep in mind that LinkedIn updates its settings occasionally, so consider checking back here from time to time to make sure your privacy preferences still align with your needs. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you'll never miss any future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.